Module 1, Introduction to Crop Protection and Integrated Pest Management, IPM. Prevention. Preventive strategies such as crop rotation, resistant varieties, proper sanitation, and habitat manipulation are emphasized. You understand that preventing pest establishment is more cost-effective and environmentally sound than controlling outbreaks after they occur. Monitoring and identification. Accurate identification of pests, weeds, and diseases is crucial. This involves the use of field scouting, traps, remote sensing, and diagnostic tools to detect early signs of infestations or infections. You are taught to distinguish between harmful and beneficial organisms and to interpret monitoring data to inform management decisions. Thresholds and decision-making. Economic thresholds and action levels are introduced as quantitative benchmarks that guide intervention decisions. The module explains how to determine when the cost of damage exceeds the cost of control and how to apply this knowledge to optimize resource use. Integrated control tactics, cultural controls, adjusting planting dates, crop density, irrigation practices, and tillage methods to disrupt pest life cycles. Mechanical and physical controls, manual removal, traps, barriers, mulching, and solarization to directly reduce pest or weed pressure. Biological controls, use of predators, parasitoids, pathogens, and antagonistic organisms to suppress pest populations naturally. Chemical controls, judicious and targeted use of pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides when necessary, emphasizing minimal environmental impact and resistance management. Evaluation and record keeping. The module underscores the importance of documenting pest occurrence, control measures, and outcomes to improve future management strategies. It introduces tools for data collection, analysis, and reporting to facilitate adaptive management. Sustainability and environmental stewardship. You explore the ecological ramifications of various crop protection strategies. The module emphasizes integrated approaches that conserve beneficial organisms, reduce chemical residues, and maintain soil and water quality. By the end of Module 1, you will have a robust conceptual framework for understanding the complexity of crop protection, the rationale for integrated management approaches, and the role of monitoring, prevention, and informed decision-making in sustainable agriculture. This foundational knowledge prepares you to dive deeper into the biology of pests, weeds, and pathogens in subsequent modules, and equips them with the analytical skills necessary for effective crop protection. Learning outcomes. By the end of this module, you should be able to define crop protection and explain its significance in sustainable agriculture. Identify major categories of pests, weeds, and pathogens that affect crops. Explain the principles and rationale of integrated pest management, IPM. Describe monitoring techniques, threshold concepts, and decision-making processes in crop protection. Evaluate the benefits and limitations of various cultural, mechanical, biological, and chemical control strategies.